So after I've cleaned out my housing, I then want to replace the gasket. Now I'm going to be using this housing for low pressure tips. So I'll be replacing it with a small hole gasket, which is usually comes with your FFLP tip. Every tip when you purchase it will come with its own gasket, and then it comes with either a rubber washer or a plastic washer. Now the rubber washer is for your water-based, latex-based paints, and your yellow washer is going to be for your oil-based lacquers, shellac, that kind of stuff. This way it doesn't burn through the rubber when you're spraying it. So here I'm going to be putting in my low pressure. I typically use water-based latex acrylic paints, so I'm fine with the rubber washer. However, if I do need to use oil-based primers, at that point I will switch to the little yellow plastic cap. Some of them come with a white one, but the majority of the Rack 10 Gracos, they'll come with the yellow plastic washer. So right here, I can place this right here on the tip. Oh, sorry, actually it goes on the back. And this will help me put it into my housing. Now you want to make sure that the groove of the gasket lines up with this hole right here where the tip will go. So slide it right up in there. Okay, and then once I got it in there, I want to put my tip in there and make sure that it is functional. And so as you can see, take the tip out, and there you have your gasket with the rubber washer.